The Vision and Mission Statement by Group 4. By the end of the discussions, here are the learning objectives of this chapter. After reading and studying the chapter, the learning should be able to explain the context of vision and mission, discuss the importance of vision and mission statement as part of strategic management agenda, distinguish vision from mission, discuss the concept of strategic vision, and enumerate the importance of the vision and mission statement as part of an effective strategy.
The need for vision mission statement. The critical role of vision mission statement is strategic management. Foundation of strategic management. This is where clear directions and purpose for the organizations are built. It lies in providing answer on where organizations' current performance, where organizations are going, and how the organization is going to get there. In short, vision mission serve as the foundation to a clear direction of purpose for the organization, guiding its decisions and helping to achieve its goal and objectives. Guiding and unifying force. A guiding and unifying force in an organization is important. It guides the organizations by providing a clear direction and purpose, helping to focus efforts and resources on achieving common goals, and unifies the organization by creating a shared understanding and sense of identity among employees, stakeholders, and customers. Overall, a vision mission statement serves as guiding and unifying force, helping to drive organizations toward its desired future state. Impact on performing measurement. In an organization, performance measurement serves as guiding force that influences various aspects of the organization's strategy, goals, and operations. Prerequisite for strategy development. Environmental scanning is a critical first step in the strategic planning process. It involves systematically examining an internal and external environment to identify opportunities, threats, strengths, and weaknesses. This comprehensive analysis helps organizations understand the context in which they operate and informs strategic decisions. Strategic management models. Strategic management models emphasize the importance of environmental scanning, which involves systematic collection and analysis in information about the external and internal factors that can impact organization. These statements, in turn, guide the strategic direction and actions of the organization, ensuring that it remains aligned within the external environment and internal capabilities. Risk of absence. Risk of absence refers to the potential drawbacks or issues that arise when something is missing. In this context, it is the absence of written vision mission statement that defines the organization's long-term aspirations and goals. When these are not documented in writing, it can lead to several problems. It can significantly impair organizations' competitiveness and internal clarity.
So in many instances, yung vision at mission statements ay parang nakikita nila as pareho lang yung meaning. Pero sa totoo lang, yung vision at mission na yun, marami silang pagkakaiba pagdating sa kanilang mga context. So ito yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Ang strategic vision, it's about where the company is headed in the future, and it looks at things like what markets the company wants to go after, what technologies and products it wants to focus on, and what kind of company it wants to become. And pagdating naman sa mission statement, ito yung kanyang context. So, it's about what the company does right now. It talks about the products and services the company offers, the needs of its customers that it fulfills, and the capabilities it currently has in terms of technology and business. Thompson and Strickland further clarified that the mission statement is not to make a profit. The real mission is always what will we do to make a profit. The mission statement talks about the answer to the question, what are we here for? Thompson and Strickland emphasized the elements of a mission statement. So in short, the mission statement answers the question, what are we here for? It's not just about making money. Instead, it's about figuring out what we need to do to make a profit. In other words, it's about defining our purpose and how we plan to achieve financial success. And dadako na po tayo sa elements of mission. So, ang purpose beyond po nito, it's about saying that the company's mission is not just about making money. It's also about defining why the business exists and how it plans to make a profit. So, ang core elements naman po ng mission is defines business activities. So, ito po yung describes what the company does and what it's all about. And sets boundaries. Ito po ay explains what the company doesn't do, keeping it focused and efficient. And last, it conveys identifying status. So, it means it shows who the company is, what it does, and where it stands in the market. So, meron po tayong dalawang type ng mission statements, which is the narrow mission statement and broad mission statement. Sa narrow mission statement, so it's clear and specific po. Good for smaller businesses with focused operations. So, ang broad mission statement naman is suitable for big companies with diverse operations, covering a wide range of activities across different subsidiaries.
The Strategic Vision Statement. Sinusuportahan ng isang Strategic Vision Statement ang Mission Statement, ngunit inilarawan nito ang isang maaabot na kalagayan sa hinaharap ng isang organization. Maaaring mag-iba-iba ang mga eksaktong timeline, ngunit karaniwang umaabot mula 3 hanggang 10 taon. Purpose of Vision Statement. Inilarawan ng pahayag ng pananaw kung ano ang hangarin ng isang organization. Ito ang nagsisilbing North Star na tumuturo sa hinaharap na estado. Pangalawa, integration with mission. Lumikha ng pare-pareho at holistic na pagtingin sa katalinuhan mula sa koleksyon hanggang sa pagsusuri at nagsisilbing pangunahin. Number 3, strategic importance. Ang estratehikong kahalagahan ay ang koleksyon ng mga plano at aksyon na pinapatupad upang mapakinabang ang kita. Ang vision at mission ng company ay ang mga pangunahing elemento ng diskarte. Key elements of strategic vision. Ang isang madiskarteng pananaw ay dapat nakaayon sa mga pangunahing halaga, mission at layunin ng organization.
Characteristic of strategic vision.
Strategic vision asayon sa isang malinaw na landas para sa hinaharap na mga aksyon at desisyon ng kumpanya. Ito ay isang roadmap na tumutulong sa paggabay sa lahat ng strategy na pagpaplano at mga hakbangin. Tinutukoy ng strategic vision ang mga uri ng mga teknolohiya, produkto at demograpiko ng customer na pinaplano ng kumpanya na pagtutuunan ng pansin sa hinaharap. Tinutukoy nito ang mga bagong merkado parehong geographical at product-related na sinasadya ng kumpanya na i-target. Maaaring kabilang dito ang pagpapalawak sa mga bagong rehiyon o pagbuo ng mga bagong produkto na sumasang-ayon sa mga umuusbong na pangangailangan sa market. Kasama sa visioning ang pagtukoy at pagbuo ng mga bagong kakayahan sa loob ng organisasyon, maging technology, human resources o operational. Ang aspetong ito ng pahayag ng pananaw ay tumutukoy sa pangkahalatang katangian at kultura na gustong buuin ng pamahala sa loob ng kumpanya. Ang elementong ito ng pananaw ay nagbibigay ng balangkas para sa pagpaplano, pagtukoy kung saan nakikita ng kumpanya ang sarili nito sa medium hanggang sa long term, kadalasang 5 taon o higit pa. Ang vision ay nangangailangan na ang mga tagapamahala ay hindi lamang na maunawaan at ipatupad ang kasalukuyang diskarte, ngunit inaasahan din ang mga inaasahang hamon at pagkakataon. Ang pagpapakita ng pananaw ay mahalaga para sa aktibong pagpaplano at paggawa ng desisyon.
Elements of strategic vision beyond profits, social objectives, and vision in business. A strategic vision statement includes both rational elements, such as objective analysis of the company and the business climate in which it operates, and emotional elements like values and ideals for the future. Bilang isang nasa negosyo ay syempre hindi lamang naman tungkol dapat sa paghahanap kung paano tayo ay kikita ng pera, hindi ba? Unknown to the company's employees and the rest of the world is that deep in their hearts, there are social objectives or mission they have to fulfill for as long as they live. Syempre hindi mawawala sa isang negosyo ang magkameron ng mga panlipunang layunin o misyon na dapat gampanan ng mga empleyado. Diba? The unwritten purpose and missionary objectives of some business founders and investors came with social consideration. Halimbawa ng social objectives nito ay tumulong sa pagpapaunlad ng ekonomiya at lipunan upang magbigay ng trabaho at iba pa. Meron din tayong crafting a vision statement. Una dito ay use the mission statement as a starting point. Gawin daw ito bilang isang panimula. Magsimula sa mga kasalukuyang tungkulin at responsibilidad, diba, as a foundational elements. Ang pangalawa naman ay develop a strategic vision. Outline a clear future pathway that the business intends to pursue, diba? Malinaw na landas, balangkasin yung malinaw na landas sa hinaharap na nilalayo ng negosyo na ituloy. Pangatlo naman ay communicate the vision effectively. Ensure the vision is articulated in engaging in understandable way. So, siguraduhin daw natin na ang pananaw natin ay nakakaengganyo at syempre, nauunawaan natin. So, these are some examples of vision and mission statement. Like gaya nung dito sa Microsoft Corporation, yung vision and mission nila ay empower people through great software anytime, any place, and on any device. Yan yung mga example ng
Communicating the mission and vision statement. Hindi lang yan ginagawa para sa wala. It serves to be desire of an organization. For that, ginagawa siya in a manner na excellent and powerful. Dapat ini-internalize mo siya, sinasaisip at sinasapuso. So, ang challenge dito ay para sa organization na ma-deliver nila ito in an exciting and inspiring manner. Internal communication. Paano ma-deliver? Una ay through internal communication. Communicate sa mga employee dahil sila ang workforce na gagawa para ma-achieve yung mission and vision. Yun nga, tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, hindi lang dapat, uy, ito ang mission and vision, sauluhin nyo. But the organization should encourage the employee na i-embrace yung mission and vision. Visible placement. Aside sa internal communication, maaaring i-communicate ang mission and vision in visible placement. Kung mapapansin nyo, minsan may mga naka-place or tap na mission and vision sa harap sa gate or main entrance kasi it is one of the simplest way para malaman o makita ang mission and vision. External communication. Dapat hindi lang siya naka-center or focus sa loob, sa mga employee mo lang. In fact, communicating it can be extended. Minsan, it is good place na ilagay din beyond the premise ng company, kung saan madaming tao sa public areas like areas with high public and customer traffic.